Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is go over MELD, how you can earn more MELD in the form of airdrop. So I'm going to share with you, this is also going to be somewhat of a tutorial, as I'm going to share with you steps and actions that you can take in order to earn some more MELD. So right now, MELD is in the early phase, and if you test and use their app, their protocol, if you do the lending and borrowing when it comes out, let's say you do the bridging, we're going to go over all that and more, then you're going to be eligible to, earn points and get some future airdrops. So this is how you can potentially become a Meldaire. So we're going to talk about that. So MELD Airdrop, earn more MELD. If you guys get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, let's dive into it. So MELD, what is MELD? So we're going to go to MELD.com. MELD is the blockchain bill for DeFi. MELD is a layer 1, by the way. MELD is a non-custodial DeFi protocol for Web3 finance, providing cross-chain lending, borrowing, and staking on the MELD blockchain, supporting the 6 leading blockchains, as well as integrated fiat banking. So at the end of the day, what MELD is a layer 1 blockchain, okay? And it is integrating Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, perhaps Solana in the future, EVAX. And what you're going to be able to do is do your crypto lending and borrowing with MELD. Okay, so you'll be using MELD. Eventually down the road, you'll have your debit card, so not a Tangem, but it will be a MELD debit card. And with your app, you can spend using your crypto and have it converted to fiat and so on. So there's RWAs, real world assets, bunch of stuff coming with MELD. You can imagine that it is like the best crypto banking. So if you guys want even more info on this, go to the channel. I did an interview with Ken Olling, the CEO, and we had a great chat. I asked him quite a few questions regarding MELD. So if you guys want to know more about MELD, you can check that out. So this is the website. Most of you should have the MELD app by now. So if you click in the top right, you can sign in to your MELD account. So I'm going to put in my password. I believe I've done a few videos on this. So I want to give you an example of what MELD looks like. So similar to what their app will be like, I've tested it. This is their desktop app. So what this is your non-custodial wallet. So here's an example, right? A very small wallet here. So I can connect my NAMI, I can connect my, MetaMask, and basically you have your MELD wallet here. So I got 88 MELD, and here you can begin to stake to a pool. So this is their non-custodial wallet. What that means is that you own your keys. You set up the wallet and you have a non-custodial wallet, meaning you own the keys. So you have your words. So make sure you back those up. A non-custodial wallet means that you have self-custody over your crypto. Now, if you set this up and use this and have some MELD and do the bridge, you can earn potential tokens for airdrops, okay? So if we go to MELD.com, let's go back to the MELD.com website. I will have links for you in the description below for sure. What you'll notice is this MELD Airdrop, okay? So it is MELD.com/MELD-airdrop. We should have a link for that as well. So to celebrate the upcoming launch of the MELD Neobank, that's what they call it, we are airdropping MELD tokens to everyone who joins the MELD ecosystem. So this is how you get started. I've done videos in the past, but I'll go through it with you now. So step 1, you want to sign up for the MELD Fi. So you get early access pass. I've done this in previous videos, so just check out that link. Do what I just did. So here you would hit apply now, and you can see all this, your crypto side. This is for the MELD app. Okay, so early access, whatnot. This is where you'll have your debit card. You'll be able to put in your keys, and you'll have your banking on your app. So you have your debit card, that's core. You'll have like your crypto Neobank, your bank account, okay? So there's the fiat and the crypto. I guess it's supporting CAD. So I don't know about USD. But anyways, it's really cool. So there's a lot to talk about here, but effectively this for the app, that's what you want to do. You want to set up, that's the first step. This will earn you potential airdrops, okay? So we'll go back here. Number 2 is create your MELD app wallet. So what we just went over, you want to create your wallet. So click on the link, and here what you're going to do is you're going to create your wallet. So here I can go to restore existing wallet, and what you would do is you would get your words and you would plug them in, okay? So I don't know if that even messed with my current account. I'm going to make sure it didn't. But all you're going to do is create a MELD app wallet, and you're going to make sure that you recover your words. So if you go under your account, just trying to make sure that I don't show anything, go to your profile and view your phrase. So if you haven't done this already, this should be fine. This is my profile. And by the way, with your bank manager, if you guys have not seen those NFTs, that's going to be your avatar. So Ken talked about that in the interview. Okay, so I hope this is making sense. You're going to go here to view phrase. So I just want to make sure I don't show my words because I use this wallet. And currently, if you go to staking, I do have quite a bit of MELD. I have all my MELD staking pretty much. I have a little bit on other things here. But you can do quite a bit with MELD. You can stake using MELD. You get around 10% for the 1 year. It's really cool too. They have these like NFT type things, and you can see your progress. Preparing to earn, am I earning now for the Dega? Yeah, so I'm staking to the Dega ISPO. I actually did another $400 or $500 recently. No, it was 280, 18,000 MELD I added to another position. So I have videos on that if you want as well. So by doing this though, by staking, by playing around with the MELD chain, you can earn airdrops. Okay, so they're going to be doing airdrops, so they're going to be tracking your utilization. Okay, so again, we're going to go back to meld.com and comment down below, where are you at? Has this opened up your mind to some of this? So just go to the website and then click up there on the top. So it's up here, MELD Airdrop now live, blah, blah, blah. So once you do that, you sign up, you create your MELD wallet, then you get your access pass. So your access pass, I believe I've done a video on this. You are going to claim that in your MELD app. So that's the first 3 steps. Now, to earn more, that's what this video is all about, okay? Earn more. And by the way, there's going to be one lucky participant will be airdropped 1 million MELD tokens. So at today's price, what is that, $10,000, something like that? What would the price of, no, it wouldn't be that much. Maybe it would. I think it would be, yeah, it'd be like 10 grand. Yeah, pretty cool. I mean, if it was a penny, so it'd be a little bit less. It'd be like 8,000. So earn more. This is what I want to talk about. So go to Zealy. This is what we're going to do. So I'm already signed in my Zealy. And what they have here are different quests, like tasks. And as you do them, you earn points. So I'm going to be doing one of them with you. I've already done 9 over the course of 3 weeks. So let's get into this. So I'll zoom in a touch here. This is mine, my account. And if I go here, and I recommend that you guys set this up as well, just go to Zealy. You could probably just go, yeah, right here. Go to Zealy. Click on this link. Okay. So if we go to inbox, you can see what I've already done. So 3 weeks ago, I had different tasks that I did. This was as simple as, you know, following them on Instagram, following MELD on YouTube. And what you do is you take a screenshot pretty much. So I have a task here. This is my final task for level 1. And if you go to leaderboard, Vladimir Dukush, you're crushing it. Johnny, 15. A lot of people already have their 27. So I have 9 XP. And what you're going to do is do these quests. So here, follow us on Facebook. Now, I found that the link didn't work for Facebook. But for example, Just make sure that none of my private info showing. Follow us on Facebook and submit a screenshot. So I've already done that. And what I had to do on Facebook, because the link didn't work, let me go to the link. So this is what I got for the link. For me, the Facebook one didn't work. So what I did is I just typed in MELD. All right, so MELD. And I just followed this page on MELD. So here we go, officially launched. So I followed this. What I'm going to do is get a screenshot of this. So here it says following with my Facebook account. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this. That should be enough. And now we're going to submit that photo. So all you're going to do, you're going to go here and you're going to upload or drag the photo there. Okay, so let's do that. I'm just going to hide some info here. So if I go to my desktop, the Moose's desktop, we're going to add a screenshot. So now you can see my screenshot. And sometimes it takes time to load. So we're going to hit claim. So now the quest is in review. So I've had to do this for a few weeks now with different tasks. So once I complete these tasks, I reach different levels and I get these XP points. So as you do that, the more you do it, the higher up you go, the more you'll be eligible for airdrop. So my ultimate assessment of this is it's fun, it's easy, and you could potentially become a Meldapp. Right? The moose is getting loose, baby. That's what it's all about. So on the leaderboard, there's quite a few people. The moose is number 3621. So once that gets approved, you can already see what I've done. I subscribe to the YouTube, blah, blah, blah. And then level 2, I'm going to have more stuff to do. So it's kind of cool, kind of fun. Guys, comment down below if you have already started doing this. If you want me to continue to cover this more, I'd like to know. If you guys want to pick up some MELD, let me share how you can do that. So let's go through the tasks a little bit more as well. So if you want to pick up MELD, click on MELD up here on the website, and you can pick it up on DEXs. So Sunday, Muesli, Trader Joe on AVAX. I think MELD's an absolute banger. I don't know if I'm probably not going to do another video this week, but this is one of those projects that could 100x. So going back, I know we're all over the place. So social tasks, so comment, and help spread the word across your socials. We already went to Zealy, I showed you that. Weekly challenges, so we went that. Complete for extra experience. On-chain activity, so swap farm, swap farm and be a degen across all blockchains. I already done that supporting MELD. So what you can do, and I've already done it, I believe I've done a video on it, so I'm going to look for that. I recommend going to a DEX, swap some Cardano for some MELD. That would be like on Muesli Swap or MinSwap. You can go to Trader Joe, swap some AVAX for MELD. I've done it, I believe, with my MetaMask already. So if I go to, I don't think it's available on that chain, but on ETH, I think I've even done it. Yeah. So on ETH, I've done a little bit. I probably paid $80 to do this with their crazy gas fees. Or I did it in the bear market. So here's some MELD, right? And you can check the asset ID number. So make sure you're picking up the right token. So I've done it there. I've done it with, Cardano, AVAX, whatever chains you can. So do that and become an affiliate. So refer your friends and gain more MELD together. So go to ShareMint. So this is probably something I'll share with you guys as well. So right here, become a melder, refer your friends. So if you guys want, use this link. So I'll have a link for you guys if you can. Just do this. I'll probably get a little bit of a kickback. This is my first time looking at this particular page, to be honest. So earn MELD for each person you invite. Connect your wallet to become an affiliate. So maybe I'll do that right now. So guys, comment down below if you're doing this. So maybe I will add my, well, it looks like MetaMask is the only one here. I wonder if it's on ETH though. That's what sucks. Connect, Butte. Probably have to pay like an ETH transaction to do this. Okay, I'll have to do that with my Trezor. But the point is, there are different things and tasks that you can do. So sign in here. And that's about it. So we're going to see how long that takes. This will probably take a few days. But yeah, that's what I recommend you to do. Follow with the Zealy. Just the more on-chain activity, the more you do, the more loose you get, the more you can earn. So if you guys enjoyed that, smash the like button, subscribe, and pick up the Loose Moose NFT, right? These are the official channel NFT. I built them myself through the, what's it called? JPEG Studio. So perhaps I'll do a video on that as well. How to mint your own Cardano NFTs. Buy a hardware wallet. Guys, save up to 25% off. Trezor. Pick up a ledger. I don't even have a link for that, but I do have the Tangem good luck episode because I caught it. Maybe we'll do it twice. We got the Tangem. And guys, just pick up any hardware wallet. I also did a video this week going over why you should own a hardware wallet. So if you're ever questioning why I always recommend them, that's part of it. So free Cardano mini course. Take that if you're interested to learn more, especially you beginners, and take an online course. I worked hard on these. So these are Udemy courses. I never go over these, and I've worked really hard on these. So if I go to, let's say the Crypto and NFT Masterclass. Let me log out here. So if we go to Udemy, type in crypto. I wonder if I'd be on one of the top pages for crypto. Let's see, Crypto Mitchell. Wonder if that would show up. Just doing some research here. So anyways, if you guys check it out on Udemy, I've got almost 600,000 students. So this is AI with Ryan. I've done a bunch of courses where I teach video production. That's my main field. So this is the highest rated one. This is my YouTube course. I have a 14-day video production course. So this one's been crushing it. I've partnered with some of the top people in the industry over the past, 3 to 4 years. We have a sports card course. If you guys want to learn how to invest in cards, I got a course. Same with the Pokemon one. But the crypto ones are great. So Simple Guide to Cryptos and NFTs. That one's with Phil Ebner. And yeah, these are cool courses. So I got the Crypto Masterclass and so on. There's tons of them. So if you guys really want to take your skills to the next level, get in on an online course. I worked hard on them. So that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below how many MELD you have and let me know if you want to, get loose with the moose again. Cheers.